So what I'm going to make here, test 1, test 2, am I right? And then
Okay.
like a comparative operator, right? Am I right?
Okay.
And then I can make is like a name,
Mm-hmm.
is the name of the comparative operator. Am
Mm-hmm.
I right? Then is a condition. What is a condition? Right? And then is a result. Am I right? So why I'm doing this? Because 80% logic we can solve it. Right?
Okay.
So I make here is a 10. Same value I will give all the columns, right? And I make 15. Same value here is 15. So what we have are the comparative operator is equal. One is equal. Okay, I make like a unclosed or you can say whatever we can write it. Otherwise, we'll do like this. Then we will get some error. But,
Okay.
so you can say it's equal. Okay. Now it's like a equal. Then it's not equal.
Mm.
Not equal. I can make here the name is equal. It's not equal. Not equal. Am I right? Then what does it mean? Is a greater than. All right. Greater than, and then we can write is a less than or less than. I make it one like a greater than or equal.
Mm-hmm.
Less than or equal. Am I right? Am I right?
Okay.
This is a this is a comparative operator. This is the name. Whatever name I have already written. Okay. Now the condition is I want to check the 10 is equal 15.
Uh-huh.
I would like to
Mm.
check what is the answer. 10 is not equal,
Equal to 50.
right?
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
is so my question is, but you are asking, Yusuf, I know this, but how can you prove it? I want a result,
So we are using that logical. Mm-hmm.
right? So what will you use here? What is I write is what is the question? Is 10 equal to 15? This is my question. Is it logic? All right?
Mm-hmm.
Is 10 is equal to 15? Am I right? Yes or no? Or make it two way. Not. So is 10 is equal to 15? It's correct or no? How can we check it? We have to write the formula here, right? The same here, I want to check this. Okay, let's see. We will solve this first, right? Because you need a proof here. Okay, you know this, but computer needs a result or output after the perform the calculation. After the performance the calculation, we need the proof. Am I right? So what we will do here? Here I will do, then I make the equal to, because this is the law. Okay, here is Excel law. If you want to perform any calculation, you have to write the equal. Then what does it mean? We have to write this 10 equal to 15. All right, and then let's see. It's a false. I have a proof, right? Now, same here. Okay, I have another question. Is 10 is not equal to 15? What is the answer here? Let's see. 10 not equal to 15. That's true. Am I right? Now I want to check is a greater than. Am I right? So what I'm going to do, I'm copying and paste here and like make it is a greater than. And let's see. I perform the calculation here. What is the mean here? 10 is more than 15. And let's see. Yes, false. Because 10 is not more than 15. But is less than 15. Yes or no?
Yes.
Let's see. Now if I write this is equal to 10. This one, sorry. I'm talking about this one. 10 and then is less than 15. Is that true? Now another condition we have. So we have another condition is equal to, is like a greater than or equal to. What you can do? Is a
Same.
greater than and equal to. What is the answer here? Let's see. Is 10 greater than or equal to 15? The false. Am I right? Is it less than or equal to? What what do you understand here? We have to understand comparative operator. How can we use?
Okay.
Am I right?
Yeah.
I hope you understood this before going
Yeah, understood.
logic, right? So why? Because 50% we solve the logic. Now we have to